Hello, everyone. My name is Aldo Morales Quipo. I am 33 months from Peru. I live in the department Cusco, in la convention province Uncumpiro Chato. I am university students and like to yoga about like my family, my daily, my routine, and it is like personal information. I am Peruvian. I mi nationality is Peruvian. I like to study and learn new things. The fact of me is a realization, traveling and visit new places. My mother is Ricardo Kipo. She was in the marketing the fish shops, like school Guinea fish. My father was a farmer carpentry shops. I favorite fosse Starway. My sister name is Giovanna Morales Kipo. She asoma de Sario. Her favorite food is chicken and she travel around the country. My daily routine. Monday to Friday as well as of the morning. Prepare me classes and late ready one day. Return horror laterante mi university classes on Saturday and Sunday and why I cannot be at 5 minutes and watch me coaches I made at the university. Spending with family and travel from Kepasha to Kitene Bus. My location preferences my favorite sport is world cup sport is my favorite food is churro and chicken broth. Absolutely music. My hobby is traveling and working worldwide. I like electronic services. I miss Silbon. Silbon. Advice or title. He was usually students in the evenings, on the works, on the travel, on the family activities. Sometimes in good time friends.